Easiair 2020 Powered Air Purifying Respirator. Every time before using your kit, it is important to visually inspect the components for damage, such as scratches and tears. Blower unit, particulate filter, filter casing, 12-hour standard battery, flexible hose, battery charger, belt, headgear, reusable soft top hood with impact visor. Assemble the device. Slide the Easiair filter onto the blower unit, clicking it into place. Slide the filter casing over the top and twist clockwise to align the markings as shown. Slide and clip the battery into place. Belt slits are located on the side of the unit. Loop your belt through these to secure. Twist the ratchet clockwise to tighten and anti-clockwise to loosen. Insert the headgear into the hood, pushing the air inlet vent through the larger hole at the back of the hood and the ratchet through the smaller hole. Attach the side clips of the headgear to the transparent clips on the inside of the hood. To connect the hose, push one hose end into the air outlet of the blower unit and twist clockwise. Push the other end into the air inlet of the hood and twist. Don the device. Once the kit has been assembled, put on the belt and fasten to fit. Turn on the device by pressing the power button. Pull the hood over your head. Swivel the blower unit round to the small of your back. Tighten the headgear to fit by turning the ratchet clockwise and unroll the cape. Doff the device. Pull the hood up over your head by grabbing the headgear on top or using the loop on top of the hood. Slide the blower unit to your front and hold down the power button to turn off the device. Charge the battery. To test the charge of the battery, turn on the blower unit. The number of lights indicates how full the battery charge is. 2 lights indicate 50% charge, while 4 lights indicate 100%. Locate the clip on the back side of the battery. Push up and slide away from the blower unit. Attach the plug to the device and plug into a power supply to charge. The light will turn green to indicate that the battery is fully charged.